Hello and welcome to Coxie's Picks, and whilst on Cult 3D I found this. It's a very small, super lightweight, 3D printable ANHUA HC-01 key. What's that? That is these particular handcuffs. So let's see how it works. Stick the cuffs on, and all you're going to do is exactly the same action as the key. Straight into the top, work your way around the hinge, twist and release. Straight away on the top, work your way around the hinge, and then twist the correct direction and away. So, would I recommend it? Well, it's free to download and it's small, portable and easily palmed. Thank you very much for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!